Welcome back to my channel, RETROCENGO here. Now, I got contacted a couple of days ago by a guy who got donated some Commodore 64s about 10 years ago, and they should all be dead, and he didn't manage to repair them. So he mailed me and wanted me to repair all his machines, and we mailed back and forward, and I found out that he had many things missing, and he told me that he had a friend that could repair these and all that. He just didn't know what to do. So I sent him a working PSU, and then I didn't hear from him for a month. And then he contacted me again and said that he actually gave up, that his friend could not repair all three Commodore 64s. Why does this contain Amiga discs? So they couldn't repair the Commodore 64s, so he asked if I was interested in buying them, and I said yeah. So I got these three Commodore 64s that should be all dead, but I bought them because I want to make YouTube videos about while I'm repairing them. What the hell is this? This is a Trojan phaser. It is for the Commodore Amiga. Alright. This has nothing to do with Commodore 64. Okay, so we have a joystick for the Commodore 64. Old bad joystick. I really hate these. Yeah, I think they're called joystick 125, but I'm not sure. And here I played back in 1994 or 95, I think. With this joystick on a PC, I played X-Wing versus TIE Fighter. This was just the best joystick for the computer back then, and had this big metal plate. Oh my god, I missed this. This is a real nice joystick. I'm so happy. I didn't know this was included. Oh. Well, something is loose inside. It is also really old, you know, over 20-25 years old. Nice. But here, what a Commodore 64, man. Another of these joysticks, QuickShot 2 Plus. Yeah, model number here. Okay, this one got switches and an auto fire, but still real bad joysticks, you know. Alright, so we've got another. Oh man, this is not for the Amiga. I don't think so. This is a PC joystick again. A QuickShot for professional players. I think this is for the PC. I mean, yeah, you can see the plug here. Alright, here's the Commodore 64. Nice. VIC 20. What the? Damn. This is a VIC 20, guys, and I am only one joystick control. Okay, this is older than the Commodore 64, but I don't know nothing about this, and I don't know if if it uses the same voltage and all that like the Commodore 64. I can see the expansion is different. So damn. Well, I got a VIC 20. I have no history with it. When I have no history with it, I don't wanna use my time on it. So yeah. That must be the PSU I've sent. Yeah. Alright. And I hope this, yeah, this looks like a 64, guys. Yeah, that's a Commodore 64. Nice. Non-working, but I don't care. I will make a video where I repair it. If I can't, I will let Jan Beta repair it. He's the expert, you know. So, nice, the Commodore 64. I love these. There's also an Amiga box. It's great if there is an Amiga inside, but I'm not sure. That wasn't a part of the deal. And another Commodore 64, guys, with... Oh, nothing. Just something that was... Yeah, just a normal Commodore 64. Let's check out this box. If it contains an Amiga, that could be... Whoa, look at the condition, guys, of the box. Looks crazy. 2 seconds, guys, I have to leave the phone. There we go. The box looks absolutely like new. It's just incredible. I have never seen a box like this, but it's just a normal Commodore Amiga 500. I hope not the Plus version, with all the accessories, the modulator and all that. Well, that's nice, guys. Let me see if it's the Plus model, but I don't think so. No, just a normal Amiga 500. Looks nice. Alright, guys, thank you for watching. I got my first VIC-20 computer, so I think I will take a look at it. So it's the first time I see a VIC-20. Never seen it back in the day, and I have no history with it, so it's not a computer that I want to keep. I didn't get the PSU, so I don't even know if it works. I'm not sure if I can put a Commodore 64 PSU in it. I have not Googled it. But this one will go out on sale or trade or whatever. And before I do that, it's not clean or nothing. Before I do that, I just want to look inside the box, you know, to see what it's like, and I want to share that with you guys. So let's open the VIC-20. This is the first time in the cables. Okay, power's on the back side. It's got the shielding here. There we go. Alright, it's a lot smaller than the Commodore 64 version, but it's got only one port for the joystick, on and off switch, power here on the side. We've got a big cap here. The 6502 is located here. These are socketed, nice. This must be the VIC chip. I don't know if this one also has it. And I/O here. Okay, pretty simple design. But as I can see, the slot here is different on the VIC-20. But yeah, it looks nice. I just want to film it and have it on YouTube, guys, before I get rid of this. I love collecting Amigas and Commodore 64. Commodore 128D is a model I really like. But this one, no history, did not try it, and I don't want to use my time on it. I got offered some Commodore PET machines, and I was not born when they were made, so no history. I'm not interested in that. So it has to be something that reminds me of something, just like this game. I played this game on my Commodore 64. That's fun for me. Alright guys, so this is inside a Commodore VIC 20. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.